Hey everyone, this is C, and today we have a Tamagotchi connection. Found this in a grab bag basically, and today we're going to see if it works. I'm going to take this screw off, and we are going to try putting a new battery in this Tamagotchi. I'm just going to read the back to you. It has some numbers on it. Well, I can't make out that last number. It looks like a 7. I'm going to say it's a 7. Anyway, so that's, it looks like 3277. Bandai Wiz 2004, Bandai 2004, made in China. And from what I can tell looking on eBay, it's missing the little star, yellow star that goes in there. And some of the other ones I seen were missing the star also, so I'm guessing it's kind of a common thing. Now, the little keychain here is missing the big circle for your keychain, but no big deal. That can be replaced. So, let's go ahead and get this undone. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to open this. I think I might have got it there. Let's find out. Yep, popped out. Okay, we're looking at this, and it's got a CR 2032, possibly the original. What we're gonna do, I'm just gonna pop it out here. Oop, popped right out. It's got some, I'm going to assume it's got some Japanese, let's see here, Japanese writing on it. So that might be the original battery out of this. But the good news is I bought some overpriced Walgreens Energizer 2032 lithium batteries that we can go ahead and replace and put one in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and open this. Okay, so I have a brand new one here. I'll have great lighting in here. Energizer 2032. We're going to go ahead and we're going to stick this puppy right in. Let's do it this way. Yeah, I think that looks good. Oh shoot, just beeped. Is it alive? Is it hatching? I don't know. It's doing something. But let's go ahead and let's put this back together. Pop goes weasel. Try not to over tighten the screw. I'm using this Lowe's Cobalt multi-tip screw. Pretty handy. I've had it for a while. So it comes on. I don't honestly know much about Tamagotchis, but I would say having it pop on is a great first step. I'm going to have to do some exploring to figure out what to do with this Tamagotchi. And here's another thing that came with it that I'm guessing it goes with it. I'm just going to show you real quick. It almost looks like an aux cord for stereo right here, so I'm not sure if it looks like this goes together because it looks like it goes in. Let me get the chain out of the way. See that? I mean, looks like it all goes together, part of the connection maybe, but I'm not sure what this device does. So I'm gonna have to do some more research on that also. But it just holds in there and it comes right back out. That's all I know. But maybe I gotta wait for this thing to hatch. I need to get the directions. I think there's a place online I can get the directions, and maybe we'll get back with you and let you know how that turned out. All right, thanks guys.